How to drain Midea portable air conditioner. So to be able to drain water from your Midea portable air conditioner, first thing you need to do is to turn off the unit and unplug it from the power source. Move the unit to a drain location such as sink or a bucket. Locate the bottom drain plug on the back of the unit, remove the bottom drain plug and let the water drain away. Reinstall the bottom drain plug securely, restart the unit and check if the P1 error code disappears. If the P1 error code persists or repeats, it is recommended to contact Midea Customer Services or an authorized Midea servicer for future assistance.